Planet X Nibiru, the invasion of our solar system, and the destruction of our Earth, according to claims. Conspiracy theorists long feared that Earth will be destroyed by a collision with the mysterious Planet X in the 21st century, and recent scientific theories on the subject have done nothing to ease their fears. The giant ice planet that scientists think gave the solar system its tilt is theorized to orbit the Sun every 15,000 years or so, and is alternatively referred to as Planet X, Planet 9, or Nibiru, Wormwood Nemesis. Scientists have rejected the idea that Nibiru will obliterate the Earth as pseudoscience, but that has not stopped theorists from worrying about the destruction of our solar system, according to global research. Quote, apparently, the U.S. government has made the decision to keep Nibiru and its projected earthly destruction under wraps, and quote, the idea of an unknown planet 10 times more massive than our Earth was first proposed by astronomer Percival Lowell in the early 1900s and was widely publicized by Soviet-born scholar Zecharia Sitchin in the 1970s. Then, in the mid-1990s, Wisconsin resident Nancy Leader published her idea of the Nibiru-Cataclysm on her website Zeta Talk after claiming to have received telepathic messages from aliens. She gave a number of dates for an impending apocalypse, including 2012, that has passed and gone, at the end of the Mayan calendar, and NASA was forced to debunk the theory. Ames Center researcher David Morrison told Space.com at the time, quote, while this is a joke to some people and a mystery to others, there is a core of people who are truly concerned, end quote. And then 2 planetary scientists from California Institute of Technology, Caltech, in Pasadena, inferred the presence of the still undiscovered Planet X by observing objects beyond Neptune's orbit. Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown estimate that the Neptune-sized planet orbits the Sun every 15,000 years or so, according to the American Association for the Advancement of Science. Quote, if you say we have evidence for Planet X, almost any astronomer will say, this again, these guys are clearly crazy. I would too. Why is this different? This is different because this time we are right, they said, end quote. They said. Now Brown, predicting the documented discovery of the hypothetical giant planet within the next year and a half, according to Space.com, saying, I think there'll be enough people looking for it that somebody actually is going to track this down, end quote. So conspiracy theorists who support the idea of the Nibiru-Cataclysm, claiming NASA is hiding evidence that the mysterious Planet X will destroy Earth in the early 21st century. This could be through an actual collision with our planet or with a near miss that throws the Earth's gravity out of whack, causing a polar shift or a series of asteroid collisions. As the story goes, Nibiru was home to ancient alien astronauts, the Anunnaki, who seeded life on Earth, or possible angels known as the Anunnaki, the Nephilim giants in the Bible, who came to Earth from the skies. And in his book, The 12th Planet, Zecharia Sitchin claims our solar system is part of a binary star system, and there are at least 3 unknown planets, including Nibiru, that orbit the second sun. When planets from the second constellation of planets come calling on our solar system, Sitchin claims they will drive a number of asteroids and comets towards Earth, causing untold damage to the planet. Perhaps the strangest thing about the planet Nibiru, Planet X, controversy is that scientists and conspiracy theorists are starting to agree on one thing: the truth will soon be uncovered, Brown told Space.com. Quote, there are a lot of people looking, and we're trying as hard as we can to tell people where to look. We want to find it. This was from Inquisitor and its Unbended Reality. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.